Hey everyone, Veiler here on the channel. Today I'll show how to set up two-factor authentication in Roblox. Let's open Roblox, click on Settings. Here's Security and Two-Factor Authentication. I'm clicking Enable. Okay, here we enter the code and you'll get a QR code to add Google Authenticator. This is what the app looks like. Yes, download it on your phone. You can also add it by using a browser extension. There, you can also add two-factor authentication using your email address. Click Enable. We also get a code. Click Verify, and now you'll receive codes via email before logging in. This is Veiler signing off. See you later.